Students, let us start today a new flip-flop which is clocked SR flip-flop. In our last class, we had got acquainted with RS latch, and this RS latch is possible with both NAND gates and NOR gates. There was no clock input, but here onwards, whatever flip-flop we study, you will get this extra input, which is the clock, right? The clock input, right? Clock is basically the heartbeat of any digital circuit. Just like in our body, we have our heartbeat, and the operation of each of our body parts are synchronized with that heartbeat. As I am talking to you, you, how do you understand what I am telling to you? Because your heartbeat and my heartbeat is of the same category, right? 60 to 70 beats per minute. And that is why whenever I am getting high, my heartbeat is getting high, yours also getting high approximately. And for that, you are able to catch the data and understand it, decode it. So similarly, you can also understand that whenever in digital circuit, whenever flip-flops, memory elements are exchanging data, they must have that heartbeat, that synchronism, otherwise data exchange is not possible, right? So for that, we actually study clocked flip-flops, right? So clock is an essential input, that is the prime mover, that is the heartbeat of digital circuits. You must also understand that heartbeat of different animals in this planet are different. So this is a divine frequency division multiplexing, right? God has made this frequency division multiplexing, that animals belong to same community, has the same frequency, so that they can communicate with each other in different forms, like we communicate with each other. Fine, because we are having the same heart frequency. So in flip-flop also, in digital circuit also, in androids, in microprocessors, they have this clock inbuilt, and that clock acts as heartbeat, which synchronizes all the operations of the device. So let us start with this clocked SR flip-flop. So what we can see here is this part we had studied already, this NAND latch, RS1 Q0, right? The extra part that has arrived here is the driver part or steering part, right? SR clock, right? These three inputs have arrived. Fine. Now see, so this is the driver and this is the latch, right? Now, how can you understand the operation of this flip-flop? Let us take the help of Boolean algebra that we have already learned. What